What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be changing the ABS sensor on my 2014 F250 Super Duty. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just pop off this dust cover here. Then we can undo our lug nuts. Next, get my jack stand. All right, there we go. So the sensor's pretty easy to change. It's just this wire here. The only thing that sucks is we got to take off the brake caliper and the rotor. So let's do that next. Alright, so kind of in your guys' way, but one, and two. So now we got it broken loose. Off by hand. There's one. I can actually show you guys. You can see that the sensor's been rubbing on the rotor in there, and that's why it's broken. So when we put the new one on, I'm going to have to be sure to make sure it doesn't rub. Kind of did that backwards, but still works. Perfect. So now that we got everything out of the way, should be able to pull the rotor off. And now we got our sensor. And for the sensor, it's a 5mm Allen. Which was pretty loose. And there we go, the sensor is out. There's a 10mm, I believe, bolt there, and that's it. Then the clip and plug is just outside of the camera frame. Okay, well, I wasn't even close. It's a 8mm, not a 10. And I'll need a wrench for the last one. There we go. Next, pop one clip, And the other clip. And then the plug is just really right under there. So, here's the sensor I got. I got it off Amazon. I went to the dealer and they wanted $250 for this wire, and I got it for $40 on Amazon. So even if it doesn't last me as long, I can replace this thing like 4 times and still be cheaper than to buy an OEM one. And yeah, so let's install this thing real quick. It should be pretty easy. So, I'm going to clean that out after, but for right now, got to make sure this thing stays down low. Which it is. So, clip 1, clip 2, and then just got to plug it in under there. Let's just get this thing in there. Now, I don't know how tight this is supposed to be, but I don't want to strip it or nothing, so that should be good, I think. And let's shove this rotor back on and see if this thing's going to hit or not. Okay, good. It's not even close. So, just so you guys can see what broke again, here it is. Rubbing against the rotor. And then I'll show you guys the new one. See, there's the new one. The space. So, that's good. I'm going to have to take this wheel off again soon because I need some brakes, but I'm not going to be doing them yet. That'll be in another video. The other thing I'm going to be doing in the next video is this locking hub. So if you guys need to see that, this one's stuck, so I'm going to take it apart and see if I can fix it. Because I don't want to spend money on a new one. Down a little bit, so hopefully they come off easy again. Make sure these are nice and tight. There we go. Here's the caliper. I'm I'm guessing I'm gonna have to push in these cylinders, so let me go grab some pliers. I did go a bit, so I'm gonna try it, and if not, I'll get something else. I think that's right. Oh yeah, I pushed it on enough, we're good. And we're good there too. So, in case you're wondering what the sizes are, that's a 17, that's a 21, and same with the lug nuts. Try to put it on tighten. So I am going to be rotating the tires, so that's the next step. Back's the same thing as the front. Pop off the cover. Let's see how tight these guys are. Oh, not too bad. Oh, perfect. Here we go. Let's grab the front tire real quick. There, finally. Okay. That's one tire down and 3 to go. Alright guys, as you can see, it's quite a while later. I got a little busy, so I haven't had time to record the end of this video. So the truck's all done. The sensor still works good. It's probably a couple weeks later, and the sensor still works good with no problems. So for the 20 or 30 bucks or whatever I spent on it, it's pretty good value compared to $300 something for the OEM one. So yeah, that's gonna be today's video. One more question for you guys is, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. So just leave a comment down below if you want to see videos on more Copart videos, maybe some snow videos, some four-wheeling videos, some snowmobiling videos. So just comment down below to let me know what you guys want to see. And then also subscribe down below so you guys get notifications when I do post those videos. So yeah, Other than that, guys, that's going to today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.